Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little while, but things happen. First of all, I've been going to therapy and I'm getting better. I'm able to walk a little bit better, and the pain level still, it is what it is, but I mean, we're making strides, you know. I mean, everybody keeps saying it's going to be a while before I'm pain free, so yeah, that update, you know, I mean, it is what it is. There ain't much I can do. Thank God for my great wife and my buddy Scotty for coming out here and actually keeping this project moving forward. That has been a major plus in my life. I mean, I couldn't get this done without them. She hates being on camera, so otherwise I would have her in it, but she doesn't like being on camera, so. But anyway, you know what, I mean, we're getting progress. You know, we've got the rear wheel tubs tacked in place. You know, they're actually fitted and in the car, and I'll show you all that stuff in a little bit. But I mean, you know, we're finally at that point where it looks like we can start moving towards putting the floor pans in this thing. So I think today Scotty's supposed to come out. We're probably gonna put some more tacks on that stuff and get that done, and then hopefully get everything ready in the garage for putting the pans in. And then I'm going to call in some help from some friends, and hopefully we can get the pans, or the pan, slid in the car, mock it up, make sure everything is where it's supposed to be, and then pull it out, punch all the holes, get all that done, and hopefully get it in the car and tacked. I don't know if that's going to happen this weekend, but we're just trying to get the firewall cleaned up. Michelle's been working on that pretty diligently, and we're just trying to get it. We've been wire wheeling it, scotch brightening it. We're just trying to get all the crud off of it. The same with the trunk. I'll show you when I walk in, hobble in the back, and I'll show you what we've been taking off, all this stuff. I don't know if it's bed liner or what it is, but it's not easy to get off. But I'm just trying to take it down to bare metal. The firewall's going to end up getting cut up for the big block anyway. But I figured, hey, you know what? Why not strip it, get it down to bare metal? This way we got clean metal to work with. We know what we're working with. There's nothing hidden behind it. So that's kind of where we're at right now. So yeah, there's really not a lot else going on, is there?
Not right now.
No, there really isn't. I mean, it's kind of where we're at. I know I haven't been putting out any videos, but I really honestly just, there hasn't been anything going on, you know. And it's like, I know you're supposed to put out a video all the time to keep the algorithms going and all that, but I mean, the bottom line is you know what, I'm not going to bore everybody to death with, hey, we cut out this piece of metal today, and you know, so I figured I'd just let it build up and kind of show you where we're at right now, and what's going to happen. Today I'll get stuff filmed and I'll finish something out, and hopefully either today or tomorrow I'll get a video out and kind of show you guys where, you know, what we've been doing. So thanks for following along. You know, thanks for the likes and the shares and the subscribes, and you know, I think we're going to actually start to finally get this thing heading in the right direction. So, you know, we're going to start putting stuff back in, which maybe that's something that you guys want to see. You know, I don't know how some of these guys on the internet do this stuff as fast as they do, because to do this right and fix every little spot that was rotted and make new pieces and weld them in and grind them down and fit them, and you know, and all that, it's an amazing amount of time that, you know, to get all that done. And you know, without Scotty I'd have been lost. You know, this is way beyond anything I could do, and if I could do it, it would take me forever. I mean, this video would be, you know, like, yeah, I'm still working on that one spot that I've been working on for a month. So anyway, you know, so it's like, you know what, it's nice to be able to have somebody that knows what they're doing and get that stuff done. And that's really helping, you know, move this thing forward. So yeah, I mean, I'm kind of excited. Like I said, probably within the next week or two, you know, we're gonna have floor pans in this car, and man, I'll tell you what, I'm excited. I think I'm gonna put a blanket down on the floor once I get it in, and probably spend a night or two sleeping in the car, because I'm just so happy I got floors that I don't fall through. So yeah, let's get to the video and I'll show you what we've been up to. Well, here's the trunk and what we've got done so far. Working cleaning all the crap off. This is the stuff that we've been trying to get off, and it's a fighter, but you can see that wheel tubs are actually tacked in. This side is all tacked in. As you're seeing her working away, this is the progress of it. We still got some to do on the inside here in the middle. It's bonded up for some reason. Still got to get some of that off. Get some of this other stuff cleaned up. It's coming off. We're getting there. Well, you can see that I didn't get any filming done when Scotty was actually doing the stuff. I had some stuff to do, and he was just busy back here. But you can see that you know, we got the trunk supports all welded in. We got more spotting welds done there. We actually cut the braces loose from holding up the deck, because you see the jack and all that, and I know I explained it earlier, but when we cut everything loose, it dropped. So what we did was before we cut anything out, you know, anymore, we jacked the deck up and lined up where the trunk supports went. So this way we knew where, you know, it had to be. And then, you know, we went from there. So we left there, you know, we put the supports in there and everything. So this way, when we put this all back, we knew exactly where it was going back to. So, and you can see, that's all in. We got more spot welds. And, you know, we got to keep filling in between, but we're just trying to make it solid so we can get after the floor pans. And then the last of it will be, you know, this area here. This will be the last of what we have to fix. I've got all the pieces for it, so it's just a matter of cutting it out, and then we got to make the delete for the spare tire. But yeah, so that's I mean, man, it's been a great day, you know. I mean, it's coming around. We're getting close. Well, Michelle has done an excellent job on this firewall. It's really turning out good. I got some spots that we still got to deal with, but you know what? It's really come a long ways. Well, guys, that concludes another episode of Caveman Garage. Now, we actually got some stuff done. As you've seen, you know, we got the welding in the back. We got the trunk mounts, or the trunk supports welded in and all that. And we've got the firewall, you know, pretty cleaned up. I mean, it's not going to be perfect until we still got to cut it out for the big block. So it's, you know, we were just trying to get everything down so we knew what was there and, you know, what we have to work with. So, you know, there's nothing that's going to be hidden. You know, we start getting into it and then go, oh crap, you know, we got to cut this out and cut that out. So that's all, at least all cleaned up. And come here, you want to be on camera? So anyway, hey, thanks for watching, and make sure you like, share it, make sure you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. You know, leave a comment down in the bottom. You know, start putting this car back together again. I know you've been tired of watching us cutting rust out. That's not really fun to watch, because it's not fun to do. So, all right, thanks a lot. Appreciate all of you, and peace out. Later.